Welcome to Exploring the JavaScript Ecosystem. In this lecture, we'll dive into the tools, libraries, and frameworks that make up the rich JavaScript environment, and understand how they can enhance our development process. JavaScript is not just a programming language, it's a vast ecosystem that has evolved significantly over the years. Whether you're a developer, a QA engineer, or an architect, understanding this ecosystem is crucial for building modern web applications. Let's start with Node.js. Node.js is a runtime environment that allows us to run JavaScript on the server side. It enables building scalable network applications and provides a vast package ecosystem via NPM. Speaking of NPM, it's the default package manager for Node.js. NPM hosts thousands of packages, libraries, and tools that you can use to enhance your projects. Understanding how to manage dependencies with NPM is essential. Frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js are at the forefront of modern web development. React, maintained by Facebook, focuses on building user interfaces with a component-based architecture. Angular, from Google, offers a complete framework for building dynamic single-page applications. Vue.js is known for its simplicity and flexibility, making it a popular choice for many developers. For back-end development, frameworks such as Express.js provide a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework that gives a robust set of features for web and mobile applications. Testing is another critical part of the ecosystem. Tools like Jest, Mocha, and Cypress help ensure our code is reliable and bug-free. Jest, developed by Facebook, is a delightful JavaScript testing framework with a focus on simplicity. Mocha provides a flexible testing framework with support for asynchronous tests, while Cypress is an end-to-end testing framework that offers fast, reliable testing for anything that runs in a browser. Then, there are build tools and task runners like Webpack, Gulp, and Grunt. Webpack is a module bundler that helps manage and bundle JavaScript files and assets. Gulp and Grunt are task runners that automate repetitive tasks like minification, compilation, and unit testing. The JavaScript ecosystem also includes transpilers like Babel. Babel allows you to use the latest JavaScript features without worrying about browser compatibility by transpiling ES6+ code into ES5. Let's not forget about linters and formatters like ESLint and Prettier. ESLint helps identify and fix problems in your JavaScript code, while Prettier enforces a consistent style by parsing your code and reprinting it with its rules. Finally, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds static types, enabling developers to catch errors early during development. It's increasingly popular in large codebases for improving maintainability and scalability. Understanding these tools and how they interact within the JavaScript ecosystem is vital for any developer, QA engineer, or architect. Each of these tools has a specific role in the development lifecycle, and mastering them can significantly improve your productivity and code quality. In the upcoming lectures, we will delve deeper into each of these areas, providing hands-on examples and best practices. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of the JavaScript ecosystem and be well equipped to leverage its full potential in your projects. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the JavaScript ecosystem. Let's continue to build our expertise together.